What's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna be cooking me some zucchini noodles with some mushrooms, shallot, squash, peppers, tomatoes, onions. My seasonings I'm using: red pepper, cayenne, onion powder, sea salt, oregano, cilantro, and basil. So now I got my mushrooms and veggies all sliced up right here. My zucchini noodles. I'm gonna season them real quick before I throw them in the cast iron skillet with the grapeseed oil. I'm gonna let you get a good look at the zucchini noodles and mushrooms, and get a good look at it while it's going. On the side, I'm gonna chop up some more mushrooms and veggies to saute. Got the zucchini noodles. They almost done. They've been going about 5 to 7 minutes. They smell real good. And you can add, like I said, you can add any type of sauce you want to add to it. It'll change the color of your noodles a little bit, but that's fine. That's fine. So I got my mushrooms and veggies all seasoned up, ready to saute them. My zucchini noodles are almost done. So now my sauteed mushrooms are done. I let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I use white mushrooms, so if you're gonna use white mushrooms, when they start to turn brown, get a brown color, that's when they'll be done. So I got my sauteed veggies and mushrooms with my zucchini noodles with veggies. Let you get a good look at it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. In the description box below, if you're looking for Dr. Sebi nutritional guide, you can get that. Click the link. If you're looking for a blender a food processor. It's in the description box below. Click that. If you're looking for the Emerald Tablets book by Billy Carson, it's in the description box below. Click that. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, in the description box below. And if you want to donate, it's in the description box below. So again, I want to thank you for watching.